The Simp composite is up nearly 2% to 1241.37, which means men are, statistically speaking, winning at losing money with unprecedented efficiency this midday session. I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange desk, where we track the only market where the bulls outnumber the bears 6-3, and somehow everyone still feels like they overpaid. With nearly $1.3 trillion in tracked cap on the line and date leading the charge while ring bleeds out at the bottom, Q3 2026 is shaping up to be the quarter where commitment costs you and showing up on time pays dividends.
Watched goods are getting absolutely obliterated today, with watch plunging nearly 3%, while the broader sponsor economy composite is shedding over 1.5% on a track cap of $537 billion. I'm Queen Diva at the sponsor economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, and what you're seeing right now is a market where more stocks are declining than advancing, which tells you the bulls in this session did not bring their wallets. Groom is the lone bright spot, squeaking out less than 1% gains, which in this tape frankly feels like winning a participation trophy at a funeral.
Good afternoon. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange. The composite grind is sitting at 632.91, off 0.3% on nearly $1 trillion in tracked cap, with the board running a decidedly lopsided 3 advancers against 6 decliners. Men, apparently, are investing in themselves at a net loss this session. Looks is your unlikely bright spot, up 5.5% at the top of the leaderboard, which is remarkable considering regulators briefly halted the sector earlier today after a 22-point swing that frankly looked less like a trade and more like a cry for help. Meanwhile, Riz continues to bleed out at the bottom, down 3.4%, suggesting that whatever charm offensive was planned for Q3 2026 has already been called off.
Simp economy spenders are lapping the field today, with Simp's $1.297 trillion market cap dwarfing both Spawn and Grind combined, as men continue to outspend women and themselves at a pace that would make a central banker blush. Spawn is the session's clear laggard, shedding another 1.54%, as sponsor economy outflows suggest women are tightening the purse strings while men are apparently loosening everything else, and Grind's modest 0.37% slip confirms that even self-investment is taking a back seat to the pursuit today. Though the desk does want to flag that the looks sector within Grind triggered a circuit breaker on a 22.4% intraday swing earlier, a reminder that looks maxing remains the most emotionally unstable corner of the self-improvement trade. For full cross-market data, order flow breakdowns, and whatever dignity remains in this sector, find us at simpx.exchange.